Hi everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to log out or remove your Google account from any devices that you don't have possession right now. For this, go to your Google account from any app or devices or browser, then click on your profile icon. After that, click on Google account, then swipe and go to security. Scroll down and go to your devices. Here you can see all the devices you have signed into before and currently save your login password and credentials. So choose the one you want to remove your account from and also that you don't recognize. Click on sign out and confirm the sign out, and the device will lose all access of your Google account. You should also check the third-party apps that have your access. Go back. Your connection to third-party apps and services. Click on see all connections. Check that you want to and select the one that you want to delete your account from. Now click on delete all connections you have with that app and confirm. So that's it guys. If this would help you, please don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.